Hi guys, welcome to Get Curry. This is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I am Dhawan, who is going to prepare a delicious chicken recipe called Naga Chicken Tikka Curry. So let's start cooking. To begin the recipe, first we'll start off with the marination. I have taken 400 grams boneless chicken cubes. To that, I'm going to add curd. Next, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, Naga chili pickle paste, turmeric powder, tandoori spice, Kashmiri red chili powder. For aroma, I'm going to add mustard oil. For binding all this together, I'm going to add little chickpea flour, salt, pepper powder, lemon juice, kasuri methi, and last coriander. Now mix it all together and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. We are done marinating the chicken. I'm going to let it rest for at least 15 minutes. By that time, we'll start making the gravy. To start the gravy, first I'm going to switch on the gas. Add ghee. To the ghee, I'm going to add 2 bay leaf. With bay leaf, I'm going to add cumin seeds, crushed coriander seeds, 4 green cardamom pods, few cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 dry red chilies. Stir it for 30 seconds on a low flame. Once the cumin and the coriander starts crackling, I'm going to add chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Cook for a few minutes. As the aroma of ginger garlic starts to come and the rawness is gone, now I'm going to add chopped onion. Cook till onion is golden brown in color. As the color of the onion starts to change, now I'm going to add tomato puree. Cook the tomato puree till the rawness goes away. Now I'm going to add sliced green chili. As the oil starts to separate, now I'm going to add masalas. For that, I'm going to first add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, meat masala. The recipe of meat masala is given in the description below. Coriander powder, garam masala, salt, black pepper powder. Now cook it all together till the rawness of the masala goes away. To avoid the masala getting burned, I'm going to add little water. Now lower the heat and let the masala get cooked nicely. By that time, we'll grill the chicken. Now we'll start pan grilling the chicken. For that, I'm going to first add oil to the pan. The oil is hot, let's put in the chicken pieces. The chicken is 70% cooked. I'm going to transfer it into a plate. The 30% will cook in the gravy. The masala is nicely cooked and the oil has also come up and the chicken is also grilled. We have little marination left which I'm going to use in the gravy to add little more flavor and richness. And now to balance the heat, I'm going to add sugar and lower the heat and cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. At this stage, I'm going to add the chicken to the gravy. Now mix it all together. Now the chicken is nicely mixed with the masala, I'm going to add in water. Give it a one final stir and cover and cook it for 5 minutes. The chicken is almost cooked and the oil has also come up. Now at this stage, I'm going to add little cream for richness, followed by little kasuri methi. Now give it one final stir. And let it cook for 2 minutes and then we'll start with the plating. So there you go guys, our Naga chicken tikka curry is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. But before going, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.